Activating notifications on Phemex can help you stay updated on market movements and account activities. Follow these steps to enable notifications effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the Phemex platform by entering your credentials. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app or website for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile section or the main menu, depending on whether you are using the app or the website. Step 3. Find Notification Preferences. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Notifications or Notification Preferences. Click on this option to view the available notification settings. Step 4. Enable Notifications. In the Notification Preferences, you will see various types of notifications you can enable, such as price alerts, trade confirmations, and account updates. Toggle the switches to turn on the notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Customize notification methods. Finally, choose how you want to receive notifications. You may have options for email alerts, push notifications on your mobile device, or SMS alerts. Select your preferred methods and save your changes. By following these steps, you can easily activate notifications on Phemex and stay informed about your trading activities.